UMengameli weIFP ngokuhlonishwa iNkosi UMangosuthu Buthelezi useziphendulele kuANC KwaZulu-Natal ngemva kokuthi yagxeka izingqwembe zokhetho zeIFP ezazinobuso bengonyama yesizwe samaZulu uMisuzulu kaZwelithini. UButhelezi uthe iANC yasheshwa ukukhohlwa njengoba kuyiyona eyasebenzisa ubuso bengonyama eseyakhothama uZwelithini ngesikhathi ikhankasela ukhetho ngo-2016. Uthe isisebenzi seIFP senze iphutha ngokusabalalisa lezi zingqwembe einkundleni zokuxhumana ngaphandle kwemvumo yobuholi beqembu.
Neither I nor the IFP leadership knew about the post, nor did we sanction it. It was brought to the party's attention after the fact and very swift action that was taken to remove it. We apologized and we explained the error. In addition, the IFP's Communication Directorate wrote to His Majesty the King and to me as Traditional Prime Minister to the Zulu monarch and nation, expressing deep regret for this error. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the moment I was told about this post, I had no doubt that my detractors would use it as confirmation that the IFP is using His Majesty the King to win votes. Judge from this post of the ANC in 2016, who is using His Majesty, the IFP or the ANC?